The only evidence-based concussion preventive tackling technique on earth was born at UCLA in 1978.
First down Cal as Campbell is back. The ball is at the 35-yard line. Campbell gives it to the fullback Jones, and ball breaks out of there. Hosea is across to help on the tackle with Kenny Easley.
You want to teach young kids how to tackle. That's how you tackle, chest to chest. You wrap them up, you drive your feet through, you roll your hips. Clinic.
43 years ago in 1978, I assisted my Bruin teammate and future three-time consensus All-American and NFL Hall of Famer Kenny Easley to bring down Cal Bear fullback Paul Jones, executing the Hosea-Method before it ever got its name.
The Bay Area in October, south and west San Francisco, east there is Oakland, north Berkeley. And that's where we are. That's the place to be in the Bay Area on this particular Saturday afternoon, right down in old Strawberry Canyon, as the Bears of California host the Bruins of UCLA. And this is a football relationship that goes back to 1933, dominated first with the Golden Bears, but over the last couple of decades, it's been pretty much a UCLA party. Last year, the Bruins won it 21-19 in Los Angeles. Here, secondary people, Johnny Lynn at corner, Bobby Hosea at corner, and the safeties, Mike Molina, the strong safety, and Kenny Easley, the free safety, for Terry Donahue's UCLA Bruins. First down Bears, Bruins 46. Anderson goes for Fournier, it's intercepted by Hosea. The UCLA 38-yard line. He had Fournier breaking downfield. That is the 10th interception by the Bruins. 3rd and 10. Down the sidelines. Intercepted. Picked off by Bobby Hosea. Now it's time to go to the record book. It's 9 turnovers for California. The 7th interception. UCLA had 10 coming into the game.
Anderson just throws it up. He's forcing it against a too-deep zone, and Hosea plays this position perfectly by moving over right in front of the receiver and intercepting the pass.
Intended for John Williams coming out of the backfield.
50-yard line, first down, Alouette. Ferragamo has the pass picked off by Bobby Hosea. A flag is down on the field. Hosea gets to the Montreal 41-yard line. Let's see what that flag is all about. Let's go downstairs to Bill Stevenson.
UCLA and former Montreal Alouette, as you said, Mike, having himself quite an afternoon. Bobby Hosea, how did you figure out that interception?
Well, we were in a cover 3 where I had the short flat area, and he threw it out to white shoes, and I just read it and jumped in front of it.
Beautiful reading.
Well, thank you very much. We work on it all the time in practice, so finally pays off.
Thank you, Bobby Hosea.
Thank you.
See what it does to the Alouettes. Overstreet. Well, he may have gotten back to the line of scrimmage not much further. Robinson was there, and so too was Hosea again.
Bill Norton, number 69, is the guard who pulls out. Watch again, 35, Bobby Hosea with his containment. He won't get into Norton. He won't let Norton get at him. He strings it out and strings it out. He can't come around. As a result, he gets help from the inside. And Hosea's playing that corner extremely well.
Words of wisdom. Second down, 11. There's the pass play. And there it is. Over to number 43, Eckwood. Shakes away. Takes one tackle and is hauled down on his 38-yard line by Bobby Hosea.
Carnell, the ball. And the freshman cannot turn the corner. Hosea making the stop.
You got it.
First down, Cal, as Campbell is back. The ball is at the 35-yard line. Campbell gives it to the fullback, Jones. Ball breaks out with a minute 18 to play as Hosea is across to help on the tackle with Kenny Easley.
You want to teach young kids how to tackle, that's how you tackle chest to chest. You wrap them up, you drive your feet through, you roll your hips. Clinic.
Science and technology. In 2011, ET Science, aka K2 Sciences, combined their ingenuity with Rydell's helmet sensor technology, validating the evidence-based Hosea-Method as the only concussion preventive tackling technique of its kind on Earth.
Okay. Hi, my name is Coach Bobby Hosea. I'm the founder of Train 'em Up Academy, and I'm also the creator of the Dip and Ripsticks 12-step tackle progression. It keeps the head out of the tackle. The number one thing about football is brain injuries. It's really serious, and we've got to figure out a way to keep our head out of the collision, and I think I've done that with my system of training. I think optimum hip position, where your knees are bent, your waist is at a 45-degree angle, and you rip your arms upward, knuckles up, elbow down. You will accelerate the hips, and the hips will control the head, and it will rock away from the oncoming ball carrier. I've done this since 1997. I've been very fortunate never to lose a player to self-inflicted head injury. That means that the player initiated contact with his head, and it is the technique that does it. When you wrap, the traditional wrap technique causes your hips to go back and your head to go down. It's physics. Ours is ripping, knuckles up, elbows down, causes your hips to accelerate forward and your head to rock away, up and away from the ball carrier. That is what we've done today, and hopefully it'll change the world in terms of limiting injuries and make the game of football safer. Because it is America's game. It's a great game, but it is a dangerous game, and we have to play it more intelligently. We play with our mind, not with our head.
All right, well, what we did here today was we used this helmet instrumented with 8 accelerometers to determine the G-force of the impact. And what we're demonstrating here is that with the rip and shoot method, that it removes the head out of the tackling technique here and minimizes the impact, hopefully to prevent concussions. And so with our instrumentation from the helmet, inside, outside, and on the bags, we were able to demonstrate that. And so that's the next step, is analyzing the data here. Bobby's working with us with one of his athletes, and so we had a good showing here, and appreciate all the work. So
Excellent. USC, UCLA working together.
Instructing players to just keep their head up is no longer enough. And coming soon, my helmet-free tackle safety and performance training course to educate parents, players, and coaches on how to play safe, effective tackle football and reduce the risk of concussions, neck, and spinal cord injuries. To save our game, one player at a time.